When it comes to legendary muscle cars, the folklore of the incredible Plymouth Roadrunner is simply undeniable. In many ways, Plymouth's popular midsize offering used its massive swagger to define an era. This carefully restored 69 drop top is a classically handsome classic that'll show just as well as it goes. The product of a detailed ground-up build that still appears crisp, this solid convertible wears an impressively straight fuselage that's been massaged to better than factory alignment. The car's correct bright red two-stage shines under fresh bumpers, polished mirrors, and a taut vinyl top. And traditional muscle car touches include ornate callouts, a peaked hood, and wide stripes. The power-operated top caps an inviting cockpit, which is centered on pleated seats that feel like a great place to spend time in. Factory gauges, complete with a bright tachometer, rides a warp-free dash that's been retrofitted with modern audio and vintage air climate control. The driver feels the road through a stylish steering wheel and a long Hurst shifter, and cool details abound, including Roadrunner-themed floor mats and a Richard Petty-signed visor. Tilt the hood and you'll find 383 cubic inches of smooth Coyote Duster-equipped V8 that's fed by a trusty Edelbrock 4-barrel. Behind that mill, a tough A833 4-speed twists torque through a requisite 8 3/4-inch axle. It's easy to overlook cars like this striking drop top. Not only is it a factory-accurate restoration with a price that's substantially lower than most finicky garage queens, it's also a universally admired classic that mixes top-notch performance with increased approachability. For more information, please visit the link in the description or call, click, and visit rkmotors.com.